How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you my go-to platform for high-quality Stable Diffusion models. A premium Stable Diffusion Model Hub that provides its members with exclusive access to an elite selection of AI image generation models designed to produce superior quality images that stand out. It's called Shakker AI. Shakker AI is quite different than other websites like Civit AI, as they don't feature any not safe for work models. They provide a wide range of carefully curated, high-quality models for creative AI image generation for different purposes, including realistic portraits, captivating anime-style characters, breathtaking architectural visuals, intricate illustrations, and commercially usable, hyper-realistic e-commerce photography. Another bonus point is that they offer SD3 custom models, which is not available on Civit AI anymore. Their built-in AI generator is really powerful, and you can use the available models to generate images directly on Shakker AI. In the basic mode, you can simply select the type of model you want and then type the prompt, select the image size you want, and hit generate. It will generate amazing images based on your prompt. If you want more control in your image generation, you can check out the custom mode. The custom mode allows you to write positive and negative prompts, search for specific checkpoint models for your needs, add LoRa models to enhance your images. You can also add image reference to load your own images and use the built-in custom options like ControlNet. Moreover, it gives you an option to set custom parameters based on your requirements. Sometimes when we generate AI images, the faces and the hands can get messed up. To tackle those issues, Shakker AI also have a quick fix. Simply click the plus icon and add fix hand and fix face if you need them. I'm gonna go ahead and generate some images for you to show you how awesome it really is. Let's generate a cool e-commerce style cosmetic product photography. Now let's try something conceptual. We're gonna generate a 3D paper cut art of a panda. Next, we're gonna generate an architectural image of a modern living room. Finally, for anime lovers, you can find tons of anime checkpoints and LoRa's on Shakker AI. Let's generate a simple close-up portrait of an anime character. Be sure to check out Shakker AI. Their website address is shakker.ai. You can also find the link in the description below. They have 3 different kinds of memberships available for the users. The free tier gives you 200 fast tokens that resets per day, so you can try different models for yourself. The basic membership is only $8 per month if you sign up for the yearly plan. This one offers 10,000 fast tokens, which resets every month. It also gives you unlimited access to members-only exclusive and premium models that you can use for commercial purposes. Finally, they have an advanced tier that's $20 per month, which gives you a whopping 30,000 fast tokens and unlimited Relax image generation tokens once the fast tokens run out. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you generate awesome AI images using Shakker AI, feel free to share them with me on my Instagram. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.